We have a makeshift exhaust. Doesn't look very good now. And I don't have a bracket on it yet. But I'm going to attempt to put a bracket back in here. You can't see it. But, well, maybe you can see it. Let's see. If you peek down in there, there's holes in there. It looks like channel strut. Some people call it unistrut, B-line. I think I can get a spring nut in there and then drop a J-hanger down to catch a strap right here. That should be all I need to hold this sucker on. I might be able to do something in here, maybe off of that other bolt. But I don't know. I don't know, it's kind of far away from it. It's going to have heat wrap on it. I'll hide these with it, and then I'll put some chrome acorns on there. Foot peg's going to go here. Might even be able to dangle something off the foot peg. Haven't made up my mind. I made a little homemade fishtail. I was going to put a Bassini muffler on here, but I originally wanted to get underneath the bike and run it more closer to the engine. It's kind of far away from it, and I was going to try to mount it in here on these bolts, but I ended up not doing that because I'm just ship parts from the auto parts store. This is my ground for the starter. I had to move that because of the powder coat. So now I'm hooking up the other end, and I'll be able to fire this thing up. Gonna go right in here. This is the other end of it. That's it. Just makes it. That was lucky. Hopefully this thing doesn't blow up when I start it. Geez, I don't like that. Son of a bitch. behind there. Yeah, that